guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Okay, so today's video is so exciting, and I know I always say that, but like today we're doing something lit. Like, I am so excited to try out the new GHD Glide. Oh my god, this came out like 2 days ago. I was like, I need to order this, I need to try this out on my channel. And as you guys can see, my hair is pretty crazy right now. I have really big curly hair, very crazy. It's completely dry because your hair has to be dry to use this, so I just let it air dry. I did kind of brush it out a little bit, that's why it looks kind of poofy and crazy, but this is what we're working with, so here you have it. So let me just talk to you guys a little bit more about this tool. So it just launched in the UK and they actually don't have it in the US yet. This cost me $140, so the price is pretty expensive. It's not like $500 like a Dyson or anything like that, but $140, I mean, it can be kind of pricey. So since I ordered it from all the way from the UK, I bought it from this website that I'm just gonna put right here the name. I had to pay international shipping, so I'm gonna link it down below. This is actually sold out already in the GHD website, so I'm gonna try and find it and link it down below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. Either way, I will always link stuff down below in the description box if I'm able to find whenever it comes out in the US. If I'm able to link it, I will, so keep checking. There should be a link down there that will take you to a website where you can purchase it. One other thing, so since I ordered this from the UK, I was like, I'm gonna open it because I have a feeling, obviously they're sending it from another country, from the UK, from Europe. I have a feeling that the plug, the outlet, is gonna be like the European one and not the US one, so it wasn't gonna fit in my regular outlet here at home. And I was right. Yep, that's exactly what happened. So I had to run to Staples and buy an adapter, and I bought it, and now it works here in the US. So that's one other thing that you guys just gotta keep in mind if you order it from this website, that it is with the UK outlet plug or whatever, so just keep that in mind. Anyways, let's try this out. I'm so excited. Let's see if this could make my hair straight and sleek. As you guys can see, I have a lot of volume and it looks pretty crazy. Like I said, I already opened this because I wanted to just double check to see if the outlet was from the UK, but I haven't used it, so we're gonna use it together. First impressions right here on my channel. So this is what it looks like. It's actually kind of heavy. Here you go. GHD Glide. The on button. Wow, it just has an on button. That's crazy. I know with their flat irons, like, it stays in one temperature, so it doesn't move from that heat, it just stays in the same heat. And it's also like this, like it just has like an on button. So this is how it came, and I had to buy this adapter to be able to use it here in the US. So I just go like this, and now you can use it here. Okay, so I just turned this on and the light is flashing, which means that it's warming up. So once it stops flashing, that's when you're able to start doing your hair, and that's when it's done warming up and ready to go. So this heats up to 185 Celsius, which is this in Fahrenheit, and that's the only heat that it does. So that is the safe heat, or the heat that they think is the best for your hair. So that is pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure it works really, really well. Okay, so I have no product in my hair right now, and my hair is completely dry. You want to do this on dry hair. Do not do this on wet hair. I'm gonna try and take a pretty big section, so let's do this. Whoa, it gets hot, really hot. Okay. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So this is hot. but it's not too hot. Like, see, I'm not burning myself. I can leave it there, not burning myself. It's just warm. Like, it feels like just warm. So that's exactly what you feel when you use this on your head. It's not like it's burning your head or anything. So that's pretty cool that I can just go like that and just pull it. Like, I just touched my ear and I didn't even burn it. It's just like, it feels warm, but it's not like hot. One thing that I like is that you can kind of like twist the ends. You see what I'm doing? Kind of like twisting them to kind of give them like a nice little wave at the end. So I don't know if you can see that, but the ends aren't like, I like it. I like this. I actually really like this. I know I'm gonna use this all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be right back to show you guys the final look. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this is gonna look, if it's gonna look very sleek, very straight. So I'm actually gonna time this too, because you guys already know I love to time everything. I like to be fast, but I'm gonna start and let's do this. I'm taking pretty big sections and this is working so well. The more I use it, the more I love it. So this is the best way to get the roots. Grab a section and then you pull like upward, because if you just go like this, it might not get to the roots as much. So really like pulling it up is gonna help so much. Okay guys, so here's the final look. I mean, from that before shot to this, I think that's pretty impressive. This is pretty impressive. It's very good. I really like this. So let me show you guys the back so you guys can see how it turns out in the back. As you can see, it's very sleek, very straight. It looks like if I just use a flat iron, and I mean that is pretty much the same concept as a flat iron, kind of. But the cool thing about this is that you can take big sections, and if you just want to touch up your hair and make it look nice, like on the second or third day of you blowing it out, you can just wah, 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 and get it straight real quick, like if you're just brushing your hair, but in reality you're putting some heat in it and making it more sleek, more smooth, more straight. So I really like that. So I did time how long it took me, and it took me about 40 minutes. I mean, I don't think 40 minutes is bad for me to get my hair straight. I think that is really fast actually. I mean, sometimes with a straightener it takes me about an hour. So I think 40 minutes to get your hair from that big poof that you guys saw to this very sleek, ready to go out. You can go out to dinner, go out to eat on a nice date. I think it's nice. As you can see, the ends aren't like terrific or anything, but I think they look just fine. Okay, so final thoughts. I will definitely use this again. This is so worth it. I really did like how it transforms my hair. Like, it just made my hair so sleek and smooth and shiny. I don't know how it looks this shiny. I really didn't put anything on my hair at all. I didn't even put my Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray or anything before straightening my hair. So I think this is pretty good. So I hope you guys like this video. I have a lot of hair videos coming up, trying out other products that you guys need to watch. Oh my god, I'm so excited to share these other products with you guys. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, okay? And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well. So make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.